Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Patreon, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.patreon.com and press enter. Once the page loads, look for the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you can enter your email address associated with your Patreon account. After entering your email, proceed to type in your password. Make sure your password is entered correctly to avoid any login issues. If you prefer, you can choose the Keep Me Logged In option for future access. Now, click on the login button to access your account. If you've entered your details correctly, you will be taken to your Patreon dashboard. In case you forgot your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link below the login fields. Follow the prompts to reset your password via your email. Once you've successfully reset your password, return to the login page. Enter your email and new password to log in. If you have set up two-factor authentication, be prepared to enter the code sent to your device. After entering the code, you should gain access to your Patreon account. If you encounter any issues logging in, double-check your email and password for accuracy. If problems persist, consult the Patreon Help Center for further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.